guys, today we're going to be looking, so yesterday, or not yesterday, but the day before, we talked about lesson 98, which was geometric solids. So today we're going to be looking at not pyramids, prisms specifically. I can't talk today. So we're going to be constructing prisms. So what you see over here is called a net, and that's if we took a prism and we laid it flat. So it's a 2D representation of a 3D object. Okay, so this is a net of a rectangular prism. So a cereal box, possibly. So notice how my top and my bottom are both rectangles. Okay, that's what makes it a rectangular prism. But now it's as if I've taken a cereal box and I've cut it along some of my edges and made it one flat piece. Okay, so if I were to fold this and fold it all back up, I could make it look like a cereal box. Now, a net is pretty cool. So a net is something that you can use to get a visual idea of what an object could look like. So this is something that you might see on your map test or something like that. It's how does your brain work to try to picture to see if a net might possibly work. So if I scroll down here, so it says refer to the cube to answer problems A through E. So a cube, we know, is made up of all squares. That's what makes a cube a cube. Every edge is exactly the same length. Okay, so what is the shape of each face? The shape is a square. Is each face parallel to an opposite face? That's saying, is this face right here parallel to this one on the back? So if you were looking at a cube, a dice, is one side of your dice going to be parallel to the other side of your dice? Yes. Is each edge parallel to at least one other edge? So is this edge parallel? Yes, this edge is parallel to this edge, but it's also parallel to this edge back here. So edges can have more than one parallel edge. And then what type of angle is formed by every pair of intersecting edges? On a cube, every time two edges meet, it makes a 90-degree angle because it's squares. All over it is squares. So I have a 90-degree angle here, here. They don't look like 90-degree angles because they have drawn a 3D object. If this were a cube or a dice sitting in our hand, we would only see 90-degree angles. Okay? So I want you to go through and answer the questions about the rectangular prism here and the triangular prism here. Okay, just go through, answer the questions. If you are confused, you can rewind this and look and see what parallel faces mean, parallel edges, or you can go back to yesterday's lesson and look at what is a face, what is an edge, okay? If that's something that you're forgetting occasionally, it might not be a bad idea to add faces, edges, and vertex into your math notebook so you can refer back to those later. Have a good day.